Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the end of ancient Egypt. Ancient Egypt enjoyed an incredibly long and rich history, stretching for more than 3,000 years. However, like all great civilizations, it eventually faced a period of decline and ultimately, its end. This wasn't a sudden event, but rather a gradual process involving various internal struggles and, significantly, a series of foreign invasions that chipped away at its sovereignty. We'll explore the key moments that led to its final chapter. Several factors contributed to the gradual weakening of ancient Egypt. Internally, periods of political instability, marked by weak pharaohs and power struggles among different factions, often led to a fragmented state. Economically, the strain of maintaining a vast empire and managing resources, especially during times of drought or famine, presented significant challenges. These internal vulnerabilities made Egypt more susceptible to external pressures, and the ambitions of powerful neighboring empires seeking to expand their territories and control valuable resources. Ancient Egypt's independence ultimately ended with the Roman Republic. After Alexander the Great's conquest, Egypt was ruled by the Ptolemaic dynasty, a line of Greek pharaohs. Cleopatra VII, a formidable ruler, was the last pharaoh. Her alliances and conflicts with Roman leaders like Julius Caesar and Mark Antony determined Egypt's destiny. Following the Battle of Actium, where Octavian defeated Antony and Cleopatra, Egypt became a Roman province, marking the definitive end of its ancient pharaonic rule. Even though ancient Egypt as an independent pharaonic state ended, its incredible legacy continues to resonate throughout history. Its monumental architecture, like the pyramids and temples, along with its intricate art, writing system, and religious beliefs, profoundly influenced subsequent civilizations, including the Greeks and Romans. The innovations and cultural richness of this ancient society left an indelible mark on the world. Be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.